everyone, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. Today, my daughter Madeline and I and Little Biscuit, we're going to travel south of Boston for a little adventure. We're going to pick up some dressers that are going to be given to me free, so that's why we're driving a little bit of a distance. But here they are. I'm going to show you right here up in the upper corner. Aren't they cute? That's why we're going. Okay, so we will check in periodically on our adventure today, so stay tuned.
Return to Gillette Stadium.
Okay, we are about 10 miles outside of where we are picking up the furniture. How you going? How's it going, Maddie?
Fine.
Long ride, huh? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I forgot to give this to you.
What?
It's a belated birthday present. We're not really down here to pick up furniture. We're down here to pick up your dog.
Is that Chihuahua?
Yeah, it's a baby puppy Chihuahua.
Yeah, I didn't think you'd drive that far for furniture.
Oh, did you kind of know?
No, I just thought it was very far
For free furniture, it is pretty far.
for Dad.
All right, you ready to go pick him up? You want to see a picture of him?
Yeah.
He's so cute and so little. You ready, Maddie? Look at him, Madeline. Go ahead, hon. Isn't he cute? He's a licker. He loves to give kisses. Oh, you're so little. Why, hello. Hi. You gonna climb in my hair?
Okay, that is my favorite spot.
That's a
to hang
good.
out.
Oh, that's a good spot. You can hide in there. Yeah. Hello. Hi, cutie. Oh my goodness, you're so little. Get him. Let Biscuit sniff him. Oh, hi, Bacon. Hi, Biscuit. You ready? Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, he's tired, huh? Okay. Do you have a new brother? Who's that? Hello. Hi, Bacon. Hi, baby cakes. I think he's getting adjusted. Hi, Bacon. Are you tired from the ride? Yeah? I always told you like getting your belly rubbed. You like getting your belly rubbed? Yeah. Okay, I'll let you sleep. You've had a lot of excitement for today. We love you already. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna tuck you in, okay? Okay, you go have a nice nap, okay, buddy? Love you.